It's 6:40 a.m. Are we going to make the mass start? That's the question. Me? 65%. It's very froggy out this morning on day 6 of Bragg.
Riding 100 miles!
Yeah! Woo!
Alright, raise your hand if you're doing the century.
Woo!
Alright.
Light crowd!
So the splits for the century are marked on the road. There are 2 loops today because if you flew a crow from here to Toccoa, you'd be there in a heartbeat. So we picked some very beautiful roads for you to check out in the county, here and in Stevens County. Also, today we have a unique opportunity to go see Toccoa Falls, which is inside of Toccoa Falls College. So after rest stop 2, there is an amazing downhill you can bomb. And before you get to the bottom of the hill, Toccoa Falls College will be on the right. It's Kincaid Road. So if you turn right into Kincaid Road, you can go into the college and check out Toccoa Falls. I think it's 100-something feet free-falling waterfall. So if you got to see Amigalola, this will also be a really nice treat. Highly suggested if you've never been in there. Are you guys ready to ride? Woo! You ready to ride? Woo! All right, we will see you in Toccoa.
Hustlers. There it is! Rest stop number 1. Pretty cool. Pretty cool bicycle barn in there, Joanna. Brain feels peppier than legs. Legs feel like concrete.
Yes.
Alright, you guys, photo, team meeting.
Team meeting! We've made an impromptu rest stop at the BP. The boys just went to Dollar General.
Hey, Chad!
What?
There's water dripping off that roof over there. Are you thirsty?
He cannot be stopped.
Big motor pace. We're going a crazy 12.8 miles an hour behind this huge motor pace.
Grab on. That moment when you're being motor paced at 10 miles an hour. What the hell?
Big training day. Rest stop number 2. There's the waterfall. That's definitely the waterfall. Very tall. There's Susan, Paul Beck, eating an oatmeal cream pie. Got Scooter, got Monica. Good morning. And a lake, how beautiful. And you, what's your name?
My name is Happy.
Patty.
Happy.
Happy.
That's what my grandkids call
Oh,
me.
well that's cute.
What's your name?
My name's Anna.
What?
Anna.
Anna Banana.
That's it.
Let's go
You
get
got
a
it.
banana.
Yes.
Just pretend like there's music playing. Secret, secret, I got a secret.
This is some very large waterfowl.
Anna, you hydrate too much. Riding behind him makes me hungry.
Pretty freaking epic if you ask me.
Keep talking, keep talking. We're just talking and writing.
Talking about breaking in the corners.
Yes, we are talking about that.
Yeah, some of us had to slow down for some people.
Me, I'm the problem.
Wow. This is so pretty.
I'm going to bless it with my magical sound in my brain.
Oh, thank you. I've been blessed. Woo! South Carolina! Woohoo!
I mean, I actually didn't step foot into South Carolina yet.
I'm going to call the ambulance.
The Toccoa River. Welcome back to GA. We're so glad Georgia's on your mind. Rest stop 3, Traveler's Rest. No.
Nobody's doing the century?
This is so beautiful though. Wow. Pretty. Yes, Petches. We could be Team Petches one year. That's a good
There's
option.
so many team names in the works.
Okay, if we do ever go through Milledgeville, we have to be Team Petches.
Can you burp again just so I can have it in this video? Can't burp on cue.
Ran out of sugar a little bit on that. Thankfully, it's warm enough for Italian ice, which is a Bragg essential. So, cherry. We're doing it.
What flavor is rainbow?
It's all of them. Welcome to historic Toccoa. Literally a great sign. I feel very ready to be done riding bicycles. Shout out to Aaron for that half of a ham sandwich. Woo! Almost died. Hey, remember that time that I went over a speed bump one-handed, holding a camera and almost lost control and died right at the end?
Oh, you got another one left.
Gotta go through the arch. Yay!
The point is to relax. Oh, right.
We're in the gym and we're very serious and in a very serious mood. Savannah just gave me leg-to-leg resuscitation, and now she's gonna show me how to standing up hack.
Yeah.
We're gonna go viral on TikTok.
When you
Oh, let's go. Do you think we can go viral on Vine?
on Vine.
Or Musically? On Musically.
Just 15 minutes on Vine.
So when you are feeling lazy and you just want to stand up, but standing up is too much work, here's a shortcut trick how to stand up more better.
Let's see it.
First thing that you do is you roll over.
It's a tummy
Second thing
time.
you do is you get on your knees. One knee up. And then you do this.
Just like that. Here, my turn.
Now you try. Roll over, up on the knees, one leg up, one up. Close.
Wait, my legs are so tired.
Yeah.
That was horrible. Donuts. Whoa. Those are excellent. Thank you. We have found the Stevens County splash pad. We've acquired a Cooper. Look, there's a frog. How thrilling.
What?
There's a frog. Going bleh with water.
It's going back.
Bleh. Go to the frog. Ready? Oh! Run through the frog! Run through the frog! Yeah! Woo! Ah! so delightful.
Yes. My childlike wonder came back a little.
A little. Medium childlike wonder. I had pretty significant childlike wonder. What about you, Savannah?
Frolicking to my heart's content.
Oh, Paul?
It was full of childlike wonder.
Amazing. And you're even eating Cheetos after. You're eating a pool snack.
That's right.
I'll sit down in the chair.
Well, I mean, you can. Is it your chair?
I don't want to make Ted's in my
Hello!
We splashed. We conquered.
We did.
splish splash.
Jeff! Woo!
He's alive. Like salt.
He's a salt. He's a salt lick.
Drink some water.
Now, you figure if the pool is here dirty and your pool clothes are wet, might as well pool. What? Exactly. You guys, we could do water aerobics. Water aerobics is really hard. Have you done old people water aerobics? Oh, you gotta enter. I've been filming for a minute and a half waiting for your ass. She's just putting on her sandals to go to the bathroom.
Remind me just flexing the old quads.
Hello.
Are you feeling air relaxed?
I am feeling air, yeah.
Begin. Hey, no problem. Her life is a non-stop bender anyway.
I had chills and cramp and I'm worried about it.
Are you taking pictures or videos?
Hi. Woohoo! Bragg shuttle bus party.
Great work.
I did something.
You made an interesting choice and then you redeemed yourself.
Decision making. I stole your
Hello,
phone.
friend.
All your belongings.
He stole your belongings and then located you. Welcome to the historic Wrist Theater. It smells like popcorn. We have to stand here until it says welcome Bragg. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Prost. How was Mexican food?
Mexican food was excellent. I liked my Mexican.
Very nice.
Had pollo feliz and it indeed made me feel feliz.
Where do you post all this stuff at?
On your
You
lap.
don't.
You're supposed to say on your lap. We're supposed to go single file.
Nothing better than finding high quality air conditioning on Bragg, especially when they serve cold beverages. Yes. Aaron and I were suffering on a very different level than you guys, apparently.
We were, yeah.
Welcome, Bragg.
Speakeasy does have live music.
Ooh, live music. We can't wear mustaches if we're laughing.
Okay, gotta wear one of the curly cues.
Yes, the corn is squeaking. I think people love us. Oh, you're not entertained.
They are so amused. What are you doing over here? Because you heard the clown music. Doug! What exactly was the music that you heard that made you come here?
Your corn pieces are. There you go. There you go, like that, like that. Oh yeah, there you go.
Doug, did you hear the music that was going?
Yes, absolutely. Carnival music.
Stop laughing. I can't make it stop. Let me get this too. There you go. Oh, it looks good on you. There you
Okay,
go.
wait, what I like is he said he eliminated every ounce. Dun, 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 dun.
I told you.
Oh, does corn go on bleachers? Does corn grow in the bleachers? Maybe it does. Nothing to see here, just corn.
Relay on the coin. Wow.
The Scooter Emporium.
The Scooter Lounge.
The Scooter Lounge. Scooterville.
The Scooter's Trailer.
Scooter City.
Ooh, Scooter Town.
The
Scooter Saloon.
Scooter Saloon. Scooter's Trailer, boring. Scooterville.
Kermit's Team Headquarters.
Team Kermit HQ.